Today we're going to be cleaning 3 different types of shoes. Now this is the last shoe that we're doing. It's a pair of Flint Jordan 13s, a classic. And then we're going to be icing these as well because you can see all that yellowing on the toe. All right, let's get active. We're going to start by taking the laces out like always. These shoes will be available on our shop eBay later this week after we finish cleaning them up. Taking out the insole. I'm gonna put that to the side. We'll clean that up momentarily. And now I need the shoe tree. Gonna put that in here. First things first with this shoe, since it is a suede shoe, we're gonna be using suede eraser to start. And then we're going to get rid of some of that surface dirt, dust, and debris. Give these a good erase. All right, now we're just gonna brush them off with the brush just to get all that excess eraser dust off of them. They actually look a lot cleaner, I can't lie, just off of that. Yeah, yes. And now that we've brushed out the suede, we're gonna pick out all the rocks and whatnot. It's really not too many. So we got all that off. We're gonna go ahead and start by cleaning the bottoms. We're gonna start by switching the attachment on our drill. Putting the stiff bristle brush on. All right, now we're gonna switch over to our wire tip bristle brush. Dip that in our solution. And then we're gonna go in with our steamer. Now we're going to take one of the towels, dry off the areas. Of course, some water dripped onto the suede on the midsole. It's fine. The suede is kind of forgiving, so it'll be okay that it got a little bit wet. Oh, I probably gotta hit a little bit more in these spots. So we're taking our detail wire tip bristle brush, getting in there a little bit. A lot of this dirt in these pods usually comes out when you ice the shoes. I don't know, for some reason they always come out brighter after you ice them, even when there's like some dirt in it. So it's cool if we can't get it all out. I'm gonna try our best to get a good portion of it out. So we're gonna see that one more time. And then whatever doesn't come out will probably come out when we ice the shoes. Wipe that down. We'll just clean the pods and then we'll move on to the uppers. All right, going back in with our wire tip bristle brush. Now that that's clean, gotta wipe those off. Now we're gonna get into the uppers. So we're gonna take the soft bristle brush, dip that in our solution, and then just start scrubbing. And then once you move on to the suede area, you wanna make sure you shake off as much of the water as possible, and then patting dry. We're gonna go on and hit the tongue. Some of these markings on the tongue won't probably come out just from scrubbing. So what we'll have to do at that point is grab a sponge. So we have the sponge, we're gonna dip that in our solution, and then all these marks are just coming right out. Wiping all that clean, and then now pretty much the last thing we have to do is just clean inside of the shoe. In order to do that, we're gonna actually take this apart once again, put on our toilet bowl, take out the shoe tree. And there are some parts inside the shoe, kind of like on this. I have to touch that up on both sides. And to do that, I'm actually gonna be using a nylon tip bristle detail brush and just scrubbing those areas to see if I can lighten them up. All right, now that we basically touched up those portions of the shoes, now it is time to put these to dry. We're gonna put them in our UV room to dry completely, and I'll be right back to clean the insole. Before I go, let me actually spray this so it can be ready when I come right back. Now we're back. Gonna switch off the heads, put the yellow one back on, a couple of dashes of the solution. Put that in our solution, and then give it a whirl. Now we just gotta wipe it down, then spray it out, and then we're good to go. Clean out the insole, and now we are good to go. I'm gonna go put these to dry. All right, y'all, now we're back. We've taken the shoes out of the ice box, and this is pretty much how they came out. There is still some slight yellowing just because the shoe is older and it was worn a bit more than your usual Jordan, I guess. There is like a minor, well, you see the yellow in here, but there is like a minor water stain in the suede. Not too major, anything like that, but I'd say these came out a lot better than how they came in here. Outside of that, I hope you all learned something, and if you all enjoy this content, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be making more content like this in the future. I'll see y'all in the next video.